In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the red light flashing on the display panel of your Pantum P2500 series printer or Pantum P2200 series printer. This red light is flashing on the display panel. You can see there is a paper icon and also the wireless icon. Now that means something is wrong with the paper, and you can see here paper is still there but it's not able to pick it up. So if we look inside and remove this ink toner, now sometimes the paper is not installed properly. You can see there is a gap between the paper and the roller. Now in case you see this problem, that means you have to fix this issue. So you have to push the paper until the end, and when you push it up to the end, you will see the roller is there. Now install it. Now it should be working, the light is gone and it should be printing normally. Thanks for watching.